Hello everyone, my name is Zaim. I will be your instructor for the forthcoming ATPL subject of operational procedures. So operational procedures basically covers guidelines and procedures that must be followed to ensure that safety in our flight operations. It's going to include things like regulatory requirements, special operational procedures, operation manuals, hazards, and also pre-flight and post-flight procedures that all in all make our operations safe. So let's talk about this. Let's understand the intricacies behind all of these things that we need to understand in our classes. So join us and hopefully see you soon in our ATPL classes for the subject of operational procedures. Have a good one.